Get started. A camera with an HDMI output port with a tripod, a USB to HDMI capture card device, and a HDMI cable read, and both use a micro HDMI connection. Next up, ensure that you're buying a USB to HDMI capture card device and not simply a USB to HDMI adapter. The capture card device is what allows the feed of your camera to be sent to your PC or Mac. There are several good options such as the Elgato Camlink 4K and the AverMedia Live and Gamer Portable 2 Plus. Personally, I have the Elgato Camlink, which is incredibly compact and small, which helps when I want to live stream, even when I'm out of. Lastly, the HDMI cable. The capture card device will likely take a full-size HDMI, but on the other end of that cable has to match the size that your camera takes. In my case, I will need a full HDMI to micro HDMI cable for my A7 or Mark IV and my Camlink. Simply connect them all together. And any software that can recognize a camera connection will list your capture card device as now. If you do see your camera menu items being displayed while you're connected to your computer, simply head to the menu, find HDMI settings, info display, and turn it off. Also, to ensure that you're in focus while you stream, enable face detection autofocus. Your camera should also be in movie mode and continuous. Autofocus should be enabled. If face detection is not showing up for whatever reason, find file format in the menu and change from 4